Do you guys remember number bonds? I hope you do. I know they're going to hit these again when you get back into second grade. We did these a lot this year, but in case you can't remember, a number bond is another way to do a fact family, and we're going to do fact families again this week. It's a good way to practice adding and subtracting. So remember, when you have number bonds, you're going to see a big circle and then two smaller ones, or it might be a square and a big square. It doesn't matter. So remember, the bigger square, that'll have two branches coming off. That'll be the biggest number. Remember, addition ends with the biggest number. So you're going to fill in what plus what will equal 5. And you can think of anything you want that would add up to 5. So maybe I'm going to do 2 plus 3 equals 5, or I could flip it. 3 plus 2 is 5. Maybe I could say 4 plus 1 more is 5, or 5 plus 0 is 5. But these numbers, the bottom two numbers, have to add up to the top. Or if I go 5, take 2 away, it'll equal 3. Or 5 minus 3 is 2. You might also see them this way. You might see the bigger circle, the bigger square, and maybe they give you one of the numbers that you have to fill in the blank. Remember, missing that number. 6 plus how many more gets you up to 8? So you go 6, 7, 8, 2. Or you also should know that 6 plus 2 more is 8. Or if you want, you can go 8 minus 6 equals 2. Remember, in our fact family, we have, or number bond, we have 3 numbers. You let no one else in to get those. So then the sheet I want you to try, here's one of them. You're going to use a number bond 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 to complete it. If you need help, you can follow along, or if you need to check your answers, that is fine. So it looks like the number at the top is our biggest number, and we're going to see what we're going to add at the bottom to get the top one. So 1 plus what equals 2? 1 plus 1 equals 2, and then 2 plus how many more equals 3? 2 plus 1 equals 3, and look at, they flipped it. 2 plus how many more gets you to 3? 2. Or you can go 3 minus 1 is 2. Maybe we'll subtract to get that number this way. So we have to have 4. So 4 minus 3 is 1. Or 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. Or you could say 2 plus 2 is 4. Let's try subtraction this way. 4 minus 1 is 3. You can check it. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. Or you could say 2 plus 2 is 4. I personally think it's easier to start the smaller number and count up. So 3, 4, 5 is 2. 4 plus how many more? 4, 5, 1. And then you can start at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many fingers? 4, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many? 3. So whatever way it works, I'm going to go through these quick. It'd be 2 plus 4 is 6. 5 plus 1 is 6. This is the doubles. 3 plus 3 is 6. 1 plus 5 is 6. 4 plus 2 is 6. And 3 plus 3 is 6. How'd you do?